Welcome back to the fast lane of industry news. We are kicking things off with a major shakeup for Chemtrade Logistics Income Fund. Analysts at Raymond James Financial have officially downgraded the company from a strong buy to a hold rating, signaling some serious caution about its near-term growth and performance in the Canadian chemical sector.
Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next up, we are diving into the future of the warehouse. Accenture has just announced a massive investment in General Robotics to push the boundaries of physical AI-powered robotics. This partnership aims to revolutionize manufacturing and logistics by deploying an intelligence grid that allows robots to adapt to any task in real time, helping companies scale their autonomous operations faster than ever before. Then, we have a critical update on the United States logistics landscape. The March Logistics Managers Index has seen a massive jump to 65.7, the fastest expansion since 2022. This surge is being driven by a spike in transportation prices, fueled largely by global conflicts and oil supply shortages that are mirroring the economic pressures we saw 4 years ago. Finally, we have more movement on the stocks, as BMO Capital Markets has also downgraded Chemtrade Logistics Income Fund to a market perform rating. Despite the downgrade, the firm maintains a price target of $18.50, leaving investors to weigh the potential upside against the sentiment of caution from Wall Street. Don't miss a single update, so hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right now. Canadian chemical company Chemtrade Logistics Income Fund is facing a shift in investor sentiment as Raymond James Financial has downgraded its rating from strong buy to hold. This move by a major financial firm often signals caution, suggesting that analysts are now more concerned about the company's near-term performance and overall growth outlook. As a provider of industrial chemicals and related services, Chemtrade's stock price and investor confidence may be linked to the following changes in perspective from prominent investment firms. Investors will be closely monitoring the company's coming months to see if it can overcome these potential challenges. Accenture has announced a strategic investment in General Robotics, an AI-native company specializing in general-purpose robotic intelligence. Through Accenture Ventures, the consultancy firm aims to advance the physical AI-powered robotics in manufacturing and logistics. The goal is to provide an enterprise-grade orchestration layer that helps companies deploy robotic systems safely and at scale, addressing critical issues like workforce constraints and rising operational costs. By integrating General Robotics' grid platform, which uses modular, reusable AI skills and cloud-based orchestration. With Accenture's deep industry expertise, the partnership will create a hybrid human-agentic workforce. Furthermore, the investment reinforces Accenture's role within NVIDIA's physical AI ecosystem, utilizing NVIDIA Isaac Sim and Omniverse libraries to create software-defined factories and warehouses that can simulate real-world conditions for higher efficiency. The U.S. Logistics Managers Index, LMI, saw a significant jump in March 2026, rising 4.2 points to 65.7, marking the fastest expansion since May 2022. This surge is primarily driven by continued expansion in the freight market, with transportation prices jumping 12.7 points to 89.4. Conversely, transportation capacity has continued to contract, dropping to 39.2. Analysts attribute this rapid increase in prices and expansion in the freight market to global oil supply limitations caused by an armed conflict and the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, which has removed approximately 20% of oil from the global market. This mirrors a similar spike seen in March 2022 during the invasion of Ukraine, which removed 10% of oil supplies. The LMI, produced by a combination of leading universities and the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, tracks 8 unique components of the logistics industry. Any reading above 50 indicates expansion in the U.S. logistics sector. BMO Capital Markets has downgraded Chemtrade Logistics Income Fund, TSE, CHEUN, from an outperform rating to market perform. Despite the downgrade, BMO maintains a price target of C$18.50, suggesting a potential upside of 21.15% from its current price of C$15.27. This comes amidst mixed analyst opinions. While Raymond James Financial also downgraded the stock to market perform, with a target price of C$15, National Bank Financial raised its target to C$23.50 with an outperform rating. Currently, the company has a consensus price target of C$18.14 and a general hold rating. Chemtrade, which operates across North America and South America, with its electrochemicals segment as its primary revenue driver, continues to provide critical industrial chemicals and services. Its market capitalization stands at C$1.71 billion, with a PE ratio of 12.52, and investors are closely watching its operational performance across its sulfur products and water solutions segments.